Hey everyone, I'm here today to show you a quick and easy way to speed up your Google Chrome browser by clearing the cache. Trust me, it's simpler than you think, and it can make a noticeable difference in how fast your browser runs. So let's dive right in. First off, why clear your cache? Well, as you browse the internet, Chrome stores bits of information from websites in its cache and cookies. This helps pages load faster when you revisit them. However, over time, this data can pile up and actually start to slow your browser down. Alright, let's get started. Open your Chrome browser. Now, look at the top right corner. See those three dots? Click on them. This will open up a menu. From here, click on Clear Browsing Data. A new tab will open with a box that pops up. Here's where you can choose what you want to clear. You have a few options like browsing history, cookies, and other site data, but since we're focusing on clearing the cache, check the box that says Cached Images and Files. Now, you might be wondering about the time range. You can clear the cache from the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or from all time. If you want a full refresh and don't mind logging into sites again, go for all time. Once you've made your choice, simply click on Clear Data. Chrome will work its magic and clear all the selected data for you. It might take a few seconds to a minute depending on how much data there is to clear. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Chrome cache. You should notice your browser running smoother and loading pages faster now. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep browsing fast and free.